In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get Spotify to work via Bluetooth. Let's get started. First, make sure Bluetooth is turned on in your phone settings and that your device is properly paired with your speaker, car or headphones. Once connected, open the Spotify app and start playing a song. Then check the audio output and make sure Bluetooth is selected instead of phone speaker. If it's not playing through Bluetooth, navigate to Bluetooth settings, forget the device, then pair it again from scratch to refresh the connection. You should also turn off Bluetooth, wait for a few seconds and turn it back on. Next, make sure Spotify is updated to the latest version as outdated apps can sometimes fail to detect Bluetooth devices properly. So navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Spotify. If you see the option update, click on it. Next, check your volume levels on both phone and Bluetooth device, since one of them might be muted or too low. If you are using a car system, ensure media audio is enabled in Bluetooth settings. If the issue still continues, log out of your Spotify account, reinstall the app, and log in back. Finally, if nothing works, test another app like YouTube or Music Player to confirm whether the issue is with Bluetooth itself or just Spotify. And if needed, contact your device support or Spotify support for further help. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.